Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta call up for the keyboard anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar for it. Here on top of the characters and numbers, you'll see this very icon, which is basically responsible for the clipboard itself. So just go ahead and tap on it. Here on the clipboard page, turn on the switch, and that will ultimately mean that the clipboard has been successfully activated. In order to edit and configure its elements, tap on this pencil, choose what elements you want to remove, and tap on this trash bin. Next, in order to add any element to it, you gotta just type in something, or basically just copy any piece of data. In my case, I'll type in the word car, select it, copy, and if you'll go to the clipboard once again, you'll see that the car element has been successfully added to the clipboard. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!